Good afternoon, all are welcome to our college, Sharan Institute of Technology, Polytechnic at our Department of Information Technology. On today's practical session, we start the practical number 15 and 16 on course that is subject Applied Multimedia Techniques. Here, marks allocation for your course. Here, vision mission of department. Departmental vision statement is that to excel in information technology engineering education, to produce professionally competent engineers with lifelong learning attitude for the accomplishment of ever growing needs of society and industry. Departmental mission statement: first, to provide quality education through effective teaching learning methodologies with simulating environment for preparing technical and professional competent engineering. Second, to build the professional skills in students that will help them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. Third, to embed professional ethics and social responsibilities in students for society and environment. Course outcome: after the completion of this practical, you achieve edit images using graphical processing tools. Here, practical course outcome matrix. Okay. On today's practical session, we conduct which practical? Practical number 15 and 16. These are the mapping with second CO, edit images using graphical processing tools. Practical number 15, apply effects on design stylish images. The practical significance is there. PO, program outcomes, basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experience and practices, engineering tools, individual and teamwork, and lifelong learning. These POs are achievable to completion of this practical. Practical outcomes: design stylish images using 2D image processing software. The minimum theoretical backgrounds in their image effects, means which are the image effects are there that are included it. These are the resource use table that are completed it. After that, result conclusion. These are the three theory questions are there that are search it and write the answer. In an exercise question, 3 questions are there that this table is completed it. Software, which links are used, that are linked are mention it. After that, practical related questions, homeworks that are completed it. In that, visit the URL and perform the following task. First of all, visit that URL. Okay, this first URL, in that manual are said as the choose required templates. After that, add any image. After that, write name by adding text box and format it as per templates and add clip arts if necessary. Change background as per requirement. Save images. Okay, so in this question, I'm saying that in exercise first question, create the poster of, in a poster, what is the matter? For example, 26th January. Okay, in the second question, invitation card you create to HOD, any event in your department, and to invite you in your HOD ma'am. Okay, that are in a second exercise question. Third question, in a third question, only for taking up shapes and give the background color. Okay, so we go to first for example, choose the which you want to template that are select it. After that, add image. After that, adding text, clip arts, add background image. Okay, first of all, take an image. I'm taking in a technology. Okay, after that, any property, change it, then change the property. Okay, after that, okay, again, next we add any text, then add it. Font which you want to font, that font are their property. any effects you want, give it. Okay, that. Okay, taking one the flag image, etc. Okay, after you want any clip art, then add it. Okay, then change it, otherwise not, and choose any background. Okay, that's like you create a one poster. It is save it. That save, you sign up. Your first question in that, only for taking a required template. I'm for question 1 I'm saying that to take a template as a poster. So taking a template as a poster, and which poster we create for a 26th January. Okay, after that you add the any image, after that you add the text, as after that you any clip art you insert it, give the background color and save it. In the second question, visit that URL. In that select the dimension as per your object. After that you select the template as available templates under the template menu. After that you if necessary you require the sticker, then add it. Your notes text is necessary, then add it, otherwise not. Give the background and save the image. Okay, the same. In a second question, in a PPT, what is the share? Add invitation card to HOD. Okay, go take invitation card. When taking this card, check select the template, then give the height and width, for example. More size is more less as compared to page. So give the in ready-made any template. But then in your question change it. Not an invitation card is create your birthday card. Okay, birthday card to sister. So choose the happy birthday any card and give the name. In a question said that the sticker, template, background, whatever you want the options, that all options are use it. Add your name in it, then add the name. Sejo, then you add the name. You change the text, any size, okay, color, whatever. After that you add any background color, then give the background color. That's like. After that you change the any cloud, and also that add to image. You add any sticker, then also add it. This is done in also mobile, so all are that completed it. That's like. If you want to, then change it. After that, this is save it. Okay, otherwise share. This like create the. Is not, then you delete it. Your any message, then in that message add it. Okay, just like save it. After that, in the third question, open the paint. Okay, in that paint you import any images of your choice. Okay, in that images you add it. After that, add the basic shapes available. Okay, in a pencil or their shapes are available, through that add shapes are draw it and give the appropriate background color and write your name in a stylish text and save it. Okay, this is done on the paint. It is simple, you do it. Okay, in that extra questions are there. Visit that URL and create a certificate for project competition event. Okay, that create it. The 2 questions are there, 3 questions are there. 2 are the actually what is the perform on that question, that also I am clear that. After that, result output of these procedures are right each questions. Okay, the procedures are right when we draw the output in your cell. That time on the back side of that page you write the steps, because printout is not possible, then you write the output in your handwriting through. After that, conclusion. By this practicum I am able to apply effects to design stylish images. After that, next practical number 16, wallpapers with water drops effects. In that practical significance is, after that, in minimum theoretical images, in that which COs basic knowledge, experiments, practices, engineering tools, individual teamwork, lifelong learning. These POs are able after the completion of this practical. In this practical outcomes is that design a wallpaper showing water drops effects in a image. So the table is completed. Result conclusion. After that, 2 questions are there, 3 questions are there, that are search it and write down. That 3 practical exercise questions are there, that are completed it. First copy it in a table which softwares are used, that are address are write down. Okay, open this website software. On that question said as the choose required template. After that, add the any image, add the clip art is necessary, give the background and save the image. Okay. For example, add the images, open it, okay. In that cell, any clip art changes, background color or changes it, then also change it, otherwise not. In the question is what is your practical topic, you give the water drops effects. So on that image water drops effects are there. Okay. Any sticker also download it. Edit them, and in these options are there, this option through that edit it. That's like any color changes, add edit that text color, any change the colors. That's like properties are there, that are use it. This like you edit it, after that save it, or otherwise you screenshots are taken, that screenshot on that image. Okay, these are your first question. After that, in a second question, going on this URL, after that add the image, after that add the autograph effects and save on image. Okay, in that going on that which link, in second link, copy that in your address bar. I'm deleted it, also deleted it. Okay, in that image there, upload your image first. For example, auto effects are there. Showing first image is uploaded. Okay, for example, taking this image, after that upload an audio file. Any audio is added, open it, add the logo if you want to logo, then add it. That after this procedure, this type is uploaded procedure, and uploaded, after that uploaded image will be created, that are downloaded, otherwise taking a screenshot. After that, in the next question, go to this URL, image will be uploaded and image will be imported, and choose the option in a animation menu. Okay, which option? Water droplet effects and reflection water effect. Okay, and check the difference between that inner two effects. Go to that inner effect. In this, go to that URL. Image will be uploaded first of all. After that, water droplet effect, saying as a, what is the saying word? Water droplet effect. After that, reflecting water effect. Okay, this is a water droplet effect. Carefully check it. After that, which effect said as the reflecting water droplet effect. In that, in a water, how to replay that image, that are showing it. Clear that? Okay, this is your third question. What is the difference between these two images? You check it in that said as. Comment on the difference of the output of the both images. They are the third question. Okay, that table will be completed. After that, practical data question. Go to that URL and snowfall effects is choose and take the image, any nature image. Take a image, any nature. Okay. But when 3 questions are you done, that time in a first question you take any cloth image, for second vehicle image, and in a third for watch image. Taking that when we solve that 3 exercise questions that time. Okay. Result, output of these procedures are right after each question. By this practical, I am able. This is a conclusion. By this practical, I am able to given wallpapers with water drop effects. Summary on this practical session. In practical number 15, by this practical I am able to apply effects to design stylish images. In a practical number 16, by this practical I am able to given wallpapers with water droplet effects. Homework for you: complete your practical number 15 and 16. Draw the output of each practical questions and write their steps to back side of that page. And then next points also completed it. Here stop on today's practical session. In this practical, any doubts are created, then contact with me. Thank you.